Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Where are you going?
I am going to school.
Can you jump?
Yes, I can jump high.
What are you doing?
I am playing with my doll.
What are you eating?
I am eating cake.
Are you okay?
I am fine.
What is this?
This is a doll.
What are you drawing?
I am drawing a cat.
Are you singing?
Yes, I am singing a song.
Can you run fast?
I can run very fast.
What are you reading?
I am reading a book.
Who are you helping?
I am helping my friend.
What are you cooking?
I am cooking pasta.
Where are you sitting?
I am sitting on the chair.
Are you dancing?
Yes, I am dancing too. The music.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim in the pool.
What are you writing?
I am writing a letter.
Are you listening?
Yes, I am listening carefully.
What are you painting?
I am painting a house.
Can you climb the tree?
Yes, I can climb the tree.
Who are you calling?
I am calling my mom.
Are you laughing?
Yes, I am laughing at the joke.
What are you buying?
I am buying some apples.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
Where are you sleeping?
I am sleeping on my bed.
Are you washing your hands?
Yes, I am washing my hands.
What are you planting?
I am planting flowers.
What are you drinking?
I am drinking water.
What are you finding?
I am finding my shoes.
Can you play the piano?
Yes, I can play the piano.
Are you baking cookies?
Yes, I am baking cookies.
What are you making?
I am making my bed.
Are you studying?
Yes, I am studying for my test.
Are you watering the plants?
Yes, I am watering the plants.
Can you tie your shoes?
Yes, I can tie my shoes.
Are you brushing your teeth?
Yes, I am brushing my teeth.
Are you cleaning the house?
Yes, I am cleaning the house.
What are you packing?
I am packing my bag.
Can you solve this puzzle?
Yes, I can solve this puzzle.
Are you ironing your clothes?
Yes, I am ironing my clothes.
What are you learning in school?
I am learning math.
Can you write your name?
Yes, I can write my name.
Are you playing soccer?
Yes, I am playing soccer.
Can you read this book?
Yes, I can read this book.
Are you coloring the picture?
Yes, I am coloring the picture.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.